Hello friends, thanks so much for being here. Today I'm pretty excited because it's much needed and I'm doing something a little different. I'm not doing my makeup or my beauty room. I am doing my hair, so I'm going to bleach my roots and then I'm going to add some color back to my life because spring is here and it's getting warmer and it's just, oh, it's so needed. So I am super excited to do that with you guys. I am not a professional. Let's get that out of the way right now. I do my own hair because it's something that I like to do. It's something I've done since I was a kid, and it's something I'm going to do probably for the rest of my life. So for those of you that are new here, my name is Shyla, and this is LaLa Land. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Ding that notification bell so YouTube lets you know of all my upcoming videos. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Now I have my bleach mixed up and I just use, I went to Sally's, of course, here, we'll go this way. It's supposed to lift up to 8 levels, and then this is the developer that I use with it. Okay, so obviously this part, like the tips of my hair, have been bleached. So I'm just pretty much going to be slapping it on the roots, and then I'll be pulling it through the end to get rid of kind of the yellow bronziness I've been dealing with. So give me one quick second. I'm gonna get some gloves on and then I'll just be slapping that on. I'm probably just gonna zoom through this for you guys, not talk through it too much. So I'll try to get some good music that doesn't get in trouble. So I am going to let my hair process, and then we're gonna rinse it out, and then we're gonna slap some color on it. I'm not sure exactly what colors I'm gonna use. I'm gonna go through what colors I have. I bought a few new colors, and then we'll see what we can mix up and get together. So I will be back in just a few. Thanks. Okay, so this is after we did the bleach. It's still kind of like yellow. If I was gonna leave my hair blonde, I would not be happy about this. I'd like want to tone that. But since I'm gonna be just going one color, but it's gonna be just a bright pink, then I don't really mind the color because I'm just covering it up. But this will definitely accept pink. So I'm gonna mix that up, and then I'm gonna slap that on my hair, and then I'm just gonna wait. I leave it on for a couple hours. People say you don't have to do that. I just choose to do that because I mix conditioner with it, and I like leaving conditioner on my hair after I bleach it because I think it's nice to do for your hair and maybe your hair appreciates it. So I'm gonna get that all mixed up and then start slapping it on my head. So give me 1 second. Okay, so I'm using the color Magenta. And then I just use a white conditioner to dilute it. And I just picked up this brush today at Sally's. It's so cute. Give me 1 second to get it open. So with the conditioner, I just use a little whisk. Get it all mixed up. Okay, and I'll just zoom through this process for you guys. And to let this process for a while. I'm going to try at least 3 hours, and then I'm going to rinse it out. It is getting a little late, so maybe not 3 hours, but I'm going to see if I can clean it as I can. Sorry, that's my baby. But we'll let this process, and I'll come back when it's done. So it's very excited. It's super pink. I love it. You say hi? Say hi. Okay, so I got the pink going. It didn't really take to my roots very well. It has been a couple days and I've rinsed my hair, but I have not washed it. But it didn't really take to my roots very well. Even with rinsing it, you can see like it's really light in the root, but I really like how vibrant it is on the ends. So I'm actually going to be using this purple to put on the roots and then finish the look that way. My husband's gonna have to come down and help me do the back because that's gonna be impossible, but I'm gonna start with this. I'll probably just, again, fast forward this stuff for you guys so you don't have to worry about like, you know, and taking forever. So give me 1 quick sec and then we'll get started with that. Oh, I'm gonna try to, okay, so do the roots. I guess I could explain what I'm doing. I'm just going to be getting a small amount on my brush and just going over the roots. And I'm gonna try to use these little like butterfly clips. There we go. These little butterfly clips and some combs to like separate my hair and make it a little easier for myself. So that's what I'll be doing. Okay. So I'm going to have my husband finish the back of my hair, and then I will be back with the final look. I hope this works out because the pink pissed me off with the roots. But yeah, I'll be right back. Thanks so much, you guys. Okay, everybody, so this is the final look with my hair. So you have the purple roots and the pink ends. I'm so much happier with it than how it turned out with the pink. Just wasn't working on the roots for some reason, but I'm so happy with it. I topped it with a little bit of a bow headband. Yeah, so I really hope you guys like how it turned out. Again, I'm not professional. I don't have a license in any way. I just do it to save a little bit of coin, as well as I enjoy it. I've always been obsessed with hair, makeup, nails, everything. So, yeah, but I really hope you guys like how it turned out because I love it so much. I will leave a list of the products that I used in the description. I got everything from Sally's, and yeah. If you like my makeup look today, just keep an eye out for my Lashy Box video that is coming up for April's video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for being here. This one did take a few days to put together. I have washed my hair one time since dyeing it. Or coloring it. You don't dye your hair, you color your hair. So yeah, but thanks so much for being here, you guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell so YouTube lets you know every time I upload a video. And yeah, thank you guys so much. I hope you have a great day, great night, great life. And yeah, just remember to always be happy, be kind to each other, and take care. Bye-bye.